Hi friends, it's Julia and I am here with day number 6 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge week-long series that I'm doing. I put my kit together at the first of the month, and at the end of the month I like to do what I've started to do this year in 2021 is to do a series of layouts for the last 7 days of the month where I am using that kit to create layouts, of course. So today I'm starting with a page map sketch from February of 2020, and it is this one here, and it calls for 3 photos. They are different sizes, but I'm going to make mine probably the same size. It's got a neutral background and then like a floral print and then some scallop edging. I will probably pull out my scallop punch again just to make those scallop edges, but we'll see. So I pulled in these photos, even though I have scrapped at least one double page layout of my granddaughter in her bumblebee recital costume for dance. It's still worth doing again. I'm just going to cut these photos down. So for the background, I'm going to use this really loud and busy Dearest paper with this large floral print, and then I pulled in the smaller print that I'm going to use in front of that, as opposed to having a solid neutral tone, which I guess I could do if I did that, but I like the idea of these huge big bold flowers because they're little bumblebees, and I think that would be so cute. This little scrap of paper I'm going to use to create my scallops along the top and bottom here, and then I pulled out tons of different embellishments. I did pull in a cut apart from the cut apart sheet from the Hello Again line here, and then from this one from the Dearest collection I pulled out numbers 1 through 4 and the phrase "You Are Beautiful." Then I pulled in some of the Freckled Fawn as well as some older leftover embellishments that I've had in my stash for a while. I've pulled in, of course, the chipboard hearts and flowers. If I can use some of those, fine. If I can't, fine too. I pulled in washi strips. I pulled in the bolder patterns this time to try and get some more of those used up. I did pull in some of the label stickers because it had some of the brighter colors that I think I want to try and pull in. I pulled in this alphabet from the Lindsay collection from Felicity Jane. And then I pulled in my 2 sticker sheets because, you know, they're stickers. And I need to try and get them used up, or more of them used. So I have lots of little flower embellishments on here that I think I might try and get used. So we'll see what I can do with that. Anyway, so give me a few minutes. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created for my layout today. Hey friends, I am done with another layout. This is layout number 6 in my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for February 2021. I started with a page map sketch, which you will have seen a close-up of, and it's this one that called for 3 photos, and I did use 3 photos, but this one called for different sizes in each photo, and I used all the same size. Pattern paper wise, I had this sheet left over, and that's it. I'll show you. I used these epoxy hearts, these enamel stickers, and these candy dots from Stampin' Up. So I used a little bit of everything there, and then these puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. I used a label sticker from this set from Freckled Fawn, as well as, nope, I didn't use anything off this sticker sheet. I did use a couple strips from here. I used the heart and this green, but I had pieces left over, so they went back on there. I did use my washi tape. I used this tiny little blue heart. I did use this alphabet. I did not use any of the chipboard pieces as much as I wanted to and as hard as I tried. Yeah. And these are the little bits and pieces I have left over. I did not use the tag, and I did not use the numbers that I cut out. So, anywho, here is the layout that I created. And you can see I used everything else. I used my leftover bits of ephemera. I used all the puffy dots, the sticky dots, the epoxy dots, all of them. I used a label sticker up here, and then I used a word ephemera bit from Felicity Jane here. I used another Felicity Jane ephemera bit with a label from Felicity Jane behind it, and then a tab from Felicity Jane. And this is a cut apart. This is happy, 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 and then I just put Bumblebee. Did a little bit of journaling on a leftover journaling card. This is one of the cut aparts, and I used the couple pieces of washi strip down here at the bottom. So I'll give you a little bit of a close-up, and I will have close-up photos at the end of the video, so make sure if you want to see anything close, then stay tuned for that so that you can see it up close and personal. Anyway, that's it for today. Like I said, make sure stay for the photos if you want to, the close and personal, up close and personal photos. And I will see you guys back for another video tomorrow for day number 7. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.